Hello friends. Welcome to my channel, Make ARK Engineering. Today we will learn about how to download and install the Arduino IDE in your system. So let's get started. First of all, open the browser and search Arduino IDE. And then click on Arduino IDE. This is the latest version of Arduino. For Windows 10 and newer 64-bit. To check about operating systems, right-click on Computer, click Properties. Here you can see System Details and Operating System. You can download Arduino IDE as per your system requirement. Scroll down. I am using Windows 7, 64-bit. For that, click on Windows 7 and newer. Then click on Just Download. Here you can see the setup file is downloading. Click here. Then click I agree. Click Next. This is the location where Arduino is installed, so leave this as default. And click Install. Click on Always Trust, then 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 click Install. The setup is completed. Click on Close. See, Arduino IDE is installed successfully. Let's open and see. Click Allow Access. Now Arduino IDE is ready. Here you can type any program and upload to any Arduino board. That's all. This is for today. Please do like, subscribe, and share my video. If you have any question, then comment below. See you in another video. Bye.